Lesson 2. Daily routines vocabulary. I wake up. I wake up. I wake up. I get up. I get up. I get up. I make my bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take shower. I take shower. I take shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. I study subjects. I study subjects. I study subjects. I share ideas with my friends. I share ideas with my friends. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I go home. I go home. I go home. I take a rest. I take a rest. I take a rest. I do my homework. I do my homework. I do my homework. I play the outside. I play the outside. I play the outside. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I eat snacks. I eat snacks. I eat snacks. I help my mother. I help my mother. I help my mother. I read books. I read books. I read books. I have dinner. I have dinner. I have dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.